In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Outlook app when it's not working properly. If you're finding yourself in a situation where Outlook keeps crashing or simply won't open, don't worry, as this step-by-step guide should help you get things back on track. First, you need to open your device's settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and typing Settings into the search bar. Hit Enter and it will bring up the Settings menu for your device. Once you're in Settings, you'll want to direct your attention to the Apps section. This is where we manage all of the applications installed on your computer. Click on Apps, and this will take you to a list of all installed applications. Now from here, we're going to navigate to the Installed Apps section. This part of the process allows you to see every app that is currently on your device. Once you're in this section, look for a search bar. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. In this search bar, type in Outlook, and it should quickly pull up any result related to the Outlook app. Now that you have located Outlook in your list of installed applications, you'll want to select it. Go ahead and right-click on it. You'll notice a small menu pop up providing you with several options. Select Advanced Options from this list. This will guide you into a new page specifically tailored to the application's settings and configurations. On this page, scroll down until you find the Repair option. The repair function is a handy tool that can fix many of the small underlying issues your app may be experiencing without losing any of your data. By pressing repair, your device will take a few moments to analyze and correct some of the basic problems that might be hindering Outlook's performance. And there you have it, a quick and effective method to help get your Microsoft Outlook app back to running smoothly. Remember, sometimes these issues can arise from anything like a recent update, a minor bug, or even a change in settings. By using the repair tool found in your settings, you tackle many of these potential culprits head on. If, after using the repair tool, your issues continue to persist, it could be worth contacting Microsoft's customer support for further assistance or looking into more in-depth solutions such as reinstalling the app. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're able to overcome any issues you're facing with Outlook. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.